Hello travelers, welcome to Holland, America's Rotterdam. We are staying in a VH category on the fourth deck, number 069. Let's check it out. So the first stop in this wonderful room is the entrance. So in order to operate the lights, you need to stick your key in the beautiful slot here. I don't know, technology.
It just shuts the light off anytime the key card's not in the slot to conserve electricity.
So let's go in the bathroom.
As you can see, we have a pretty standard veranda category bathroom with the exception of the shower. This bathroom actually has a couple of really nice little features. For starters, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed, you never have to reach in the wrong direction. Odd feature, but relevant. Here next to the sink, we have soap and lotion dispensers, our personal toiletries, for those that care. And another really cool feature here in the bathroom is the shower head, which, if I can get it to come down, you'll see it has this little switch here on the shower head itself. That's actually to adjust the water pressure while you're showering. As you can see, we have Elemis brand shampoo, conditioner, bath, and shower gel. Fresh towels, some glasses here on the shelves, and the light switch here. But as we said, if your key card is not in the slot by the entrance, those will shut off automatically.
So in this room, we do have lots of storage space. This closet, there is a tall side for your long clothes. And then this shelf down here you can flip up if you have even longer clothes, but we have it down so we have extra storage. And then the other side has shorter closet space and then some more shelves for storage. Perfect for shoes. And when you arrive, there's actually on this shelf, there's beach towels and robes. And they give you a bag to use on port days. And on this side, these lovely cabinets, boom, 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 we have our safe. And this safe, you can actually go up to 6 digits for your PIN, which I thought was very unique. And in this cabinet, you have your mini fridge. You can store your own items in there. As you can see, we've brought on board a bottle of wine. But everything else in here is for an extra charge. And then below the mini fridge is just empty drawers for more clothes and personal item storage. It's always important to have plenty of storage on a ship. Here's the rest of your mini bar. They do include the price list and some items that don't need refrigerated. We actually ordered the fruit through breakfast room service as an extra snack to have laying around in between. A good tip, if you get the beverage package, even water comes off of your daily limit for how many drinks you can have. So you can order some gallons and then bring your own containers to take the water with you around the ship and on port days. So we do have a gorgeous, comfortable bed. And here are the bathrobes that you can use during your stay. They've been wonderful for the spa. And then an awesome feature, on a cruise ship, you always want to store your luggage under the bed. You can still do that here, but you have the added bonus of drawers. So we're using these drawers to store our items for shore days. Snorkel masks. And then there is a very large, nice, high-def television. You can do movies, TV, music. You can also see where your ship is in the sea on its itinerary. Very cool. Each side of the bed has a table, which is very wonderful. And each side of the bed does have light switches and outlets, which you won't find everywhere.
And one of my favorite features, and you don't find this on a lot of cruise ships, the light switch. When you get in bed at night, you don't want to have to shut off a dozen different lights before you get in bed to hit that one switch. But on the Rotterdam, well, most of the lights went out. I forgot about this guy over here. But all things considered, you do have this one switch that will shut off all of the lights on the entryway side of the room.
Yes. So, we do have a great mirror here, which has some built-in natural lighting for your makeup needs. They also include a makeup mirror, which has some close-up magnification, and the hair dryer is in here also. And then you have some more storage drawers for personal items, and you can sit here for a desk to get some work done, which is what we usually do. Every day they do give you an itinerary to tell you what's happening throughout the day and the hours of operation for the bars and restaurants. They do include in-room breakfast, which is wonderful. A lot of cruise lines will charge extra for that. So if you do want in-room breakfast, you just check off how many of each item you want, and they do have some upgraded options if you want a little something special. So you just hang this on the knob outside your room before 2 a.m. and they'll collect it and bring you the breakfast at whatever time you indicate.
Anytime between 6 and 10 a.m.
Yeah.
Can't order room service breakfast at like 3:30 p.m. If you had a late night before, maybe you're not feeling so great the next morning, you're going to need to head up to the buffet to get your fix.
And then another item you can hang on your door. This one is for extra service. So if you need an extension cord for any reason, the pillows aren't fluffy enough, you need some more pillows, you can just check off what you need here and hang that on your door. And we do have this nice sitting area. The Rotterdam has amazing artwork throughout the ship, and that does include your room. We are on the Beethoven deck, so there's lots of music-themed items, and actually the whole ship has music-themed items, which kind of goes hand in hand with their excellent entertainment lineup. So now it's time for the big reveal. Here we go, our balcony.
And as you can see, it is a limited view.
So the BH category does have the lifeboats, but you still get the beautiful horizon, the amazing fresh air, the salt spraying on your face.
And the balcony itself really is very nice. Not extra large, but plenty comfortable for a couple if you'd like to come out, sit, prop up your feet. Small table for a cocktail or glass of water if you're so inclined. But even though it may be a limited view, you just really still feel so free when you're out at sea. So that's it for this room tour. Let's go ahead and flip it around, and we'll continue to share that wonderful view with you.
Until next time, travelers.
Thanks for watching.